Alright, this is the long video walkthrough for the XL by Peterson Industries Winslow. It's a very large live-in type camper and it's very high-end. Everything is done. You see the gel coat on the outside, lots of storage. It has the big propane bottles. It's got a large propane generator right in here. Tons of storage in this one. Can't open it because it's still full of stuff, but nice awning. See, the outside's all in good shape, and it has a skirt it's in the cubby. I believe the whole thing's there, but I never pulled it all out. But you have a hitch for pulling a third trailer. Ladder's a little bit bent right there, but it's got 4 huge slides and lots of space. So an automatic landing gear, it all works. Might not be able to hear me too well because it's kind of windy today, but let's go on to the inside. This is amazing. Like I say, it's a very high-end. It's got solid countertops. It's got real wood floors that are like hand cut look. Huge residential fridge, residential microwave, even a dishwasher. Then here in the living area, these very nice theater seats, and this folds up if you have 3 people. And then this one's a pull-out couch. A nice entertainment area. It's got surround sound up here on the ceiling. And then this is cool. This is like a desk. You can pull one of those chairs over here, use this desk. It's got a little cubby hole. But you could cozy right up to that desk. But this is all wood, some veneers. All the cabinet doors are wood. And the floor, like I say, is real wood. Nice dining room table. And it's expandable. It's expanded right now, but you can also shrink it and turn it to get it out of the way. And then this is very cool. There's a half bath right here, right next to the kitchen. And a crazy amount of storage in this. Storage everywhere. Cabinets down there, drawers. And then going up here, I'm going to show you a few of the controls. This is a solar controller. I haven't been on the roof, so I don't know how many solar panels are up there. This is for the generator, and it's an auto generator, so it'll turn on by itself if you set it to. But you see the generator only has 11 hours on it. So it's been used very little, and it works really good. Slide out controls. This is for the battery. Not exactly sure what that is. Progressive Industries. And there's a door here that slides shut, but this bedroom is huge. It's got a king size bed. It's got a big storage up here that actually goes through to the kitchen also. And then huge closets. It's got 2 of these big closets. And then 6 drawers down there. 5 more drawers over here. More storage over there. Just a big, easy to walk around bedroom. TV. And then here's the second bathroom. That one has a toilet, of course. Lots of storage. And then in here is a separate washer and dryer. Not a combo unit. And then this is cool. Double sinks. More storage. And then a great big shower. So this is an amazing RV. Very well built, very high end, and in great shape for its age, for sure. So if you have more questions, just ask. But here's the last quick walkthrough.